How to download your data on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download your account data easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture and go down, click on settings and privacy and choose the first option, which is your account. Now you will find download and archive of your data easy and fast. Click on it and your data will be downloaded. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.